Hello and thank you for tuning in. Today we have a gorgeous Billiard Blue Street Glide special up for sale. For the full information on this motorcycle, please check out our website, www.americanclassicmotors.com. You can also give us a call, 610-754-8500. Use extension 112. 6,165 on the odometer. This is the Milwaukee 8 114-inch engine, 6-speed transmission. I mentioned the gorgeous Billiard Blue paint. Some other nice add-ons and extras as well. Beautiful motorcycle. In case you missed it, again, our website, www.americanclassicmotors.com. You can also give us a call, 610-754-8500. Use extension 112. Thanks for watching. We hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.